students.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, good, very good. Okay, student, today I put some question. Tell me the answers. Okay?
Okay,
So the
ma'am.
first question is name some words.
Ma'am, pigeon,
Yes,
crow,
very good,
sparrow.
very good. Okay, second question is have you ever seen crow?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Third question is what is the color of crow?
Ma'am, black.
Very good. Okay, last question is have you heard the story Thirsty Crow?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, student, today we will read the story. Okay. The Thirsty Crow. Okay. Now, student, I'll show the model of Thirsty Crow.
Okay, ma'am.
And I will explain the story with the help of model.
Okay,
Watch.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Once there was a crow. He was very thirsty. A thirsty crow flew into a village in search of water. The crow flew over the houses, fields, and trees, but he couldn't find any water. After so long time, he came across a farm. Under one of the trees on the farm was a pot of water. Happy that he found some water finally, he popped down to the tree and then down to the ground. He quickly moved toward the pitcher and looked inside. There was very little water in the pot. The crow put his beak inside the pitcher, but he couldn't reach the water. This water level is too low. He tried to push the vessel down to let the water out, but it was too heavy. The crow was disappointed. Instead, he looking around. What else I can do? He saw there were a lot of apples on the farm, and he had an idea. He collected pebbles and put it into the pot. He collected another pebble and put it into the pot. As he added more and more stones, after some time, the level of water rise with the help of stones. The crow drank the water and flew away happily. And the moral of the story is where there is a will, there is a way. Okay, students?
Okay, ma'am.
Students, I'll explain the summary of the Thirsty Crow in short. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Watch this model. Once there was a crow. He was very thirsty. He flew here and there in search of water, but he couldn't find any water. Suddenly, he saw a pitcher of water under a tree. The pitcher had very little amount of water, and his beak couldn't walk the water. He saw some pebbles around it. He suddenly got an idea. He put picking up the pebbles one by one and putting them into the pot. After some time, the level of water rise, and he drank the water and fly. Okay, students.
Okay, ma'am.
Have you any problem in this story? Have you any problem? Tell me, students.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now I write meaning of difficult words. Write down in your notebook. Okay.
Okay.
First word is ground. First word is ground. Ground, a public park. Second one is pebbles. The meaning of pebble is stones. Okay, students. Write down in your notebook. Okay. The next word meaning is rose up. The meaning of this word is rise up. Okay. The next is low. The meaning of low is close to the ground and bottom to the earth. Okay, student.
Okay, ma'am.
Write this on your notebook immediately. Have you noted this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I erase. Okay, students. Now I'll put some questions regarding your topic. Okay, tell me their answers.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, the first question is, why was the crow flying here and there? Tell me, why was the crow flying here and there?
In the search of the butter.
Okay, very good. Second question is, what did he saw under the tree? What did he saw under the tree?
A pot.
Okay, very good. Third question is, what did he put in the picture to raise the level of water?
Stones.
Very good. Okay, student. Now write your homework in your notebook. Write the story Thirsty Crow. The Thirsty Crow. In your notebooks. In your own words, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, student. Okay, goodbye.
Bye, ma'am. Take care.
Okay, students. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.